Today, I'll show you how to duplicate a slide in PowerPoint. Whether you're working on a presentation for school, a business meeting, or just for fun, knowing how to efficiently duplicate slides can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right into it and make your PowerPoint experience a bit smoother. First, let's talk about the layout of your PowerPoint workspace. When you open your presentation, you'll notice a panel on the left side of the screen. This is the slide preview panel, where you can see thumbnails of all your slides in the order they appear. This panel is your main navigation tool for managing slides, making it easy to rearrange and duplicate them. Now, to duplicate a slide, start by selecting the slide thumbnail you want to copy. Simply click on it. You'll notice that the slide you clicked on will be highlighted. This indicates that it's selected and ready for your next command. Once your desired slide is selected, there's a quick keyboard shortcut that will duplicate it for you instantly. Just press the Control key and the letter D simultaneously on your keyboard. That's Control plus D. This will create an exact copy of your selected slide and place it directly below the original in your slide sequence. It's a super handy shortcut, especially when you're in a hurry or need to duplicate multiple slides quickly. But what if you prefer using your mouse for this task? No problem. There's an alternative method that's just as simple. With your slide still selected in the left panel, right-click on the slide thumbnail. A context menu will appear, offering various options for what you can do with the slide. From this menu, look for the option that says Duplicate Slide and click on it. This will achieve the same result, creating a copy of the slide right below the original. Both methods we've discussed using the keyboard shortcut or right-clicking are effective and straightforward. Which one you choose really depends on your personal preference and how you like to work within PowerPoint. Some people find the keyboard shortcut faster, while others prefer the visual approach of the right-click method. Duplicating slides is incredibly useful when you want to maintain the same layout or content across multiple slides without having to recreate each one from scratch. It's great for keeping your presentation consistent and ensuring that your slides are uniform in style and structure. And there you have it. You now know how to duplicate a slide in PowerPoint using two simple methods. With these tips, you can streamline your workflow and focus more on the content of your presentation rather than spending time on repetitive tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your next PowerPoint project a little bit easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.